Fidelity ETF tutorial. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel. Open up a new tab on your browsing and type in fidelity.com. Now you have a couple options once you're on the website. Open up an account if you don't have one, or if you do, then click Accounts and Trades and click Portfolio. Log on with using the information that you have. Once logged on, you will see your account details. In this case, I have a new account that has not have any funds. Now I'm going to show you how you can invest into ETFs to make money online passively. Okay, so under the top right or the bottom right screen right here, click. And basically, this is where you can look for mutual funds and ETFs. So we're going to type in an ETF called QQQ. In this case, you can see that this is a fund. It's worth $475. And here's the ticker symbol that we just used. Now, and you can see a list of information such as the top holding companies of this ETF, analysts, the rating. You can see the events, the profile, and news and commentary. But in this case, we want a good ETF that is lower than $500 that will bring in a lot of returns. If you go under to here, distribution and expenses, you will actually be able to see valuable information such as the expenses or the gross expense ratio to own or to carry and hold this ETF. And then if you scroll down even more, this is the best part where it shows the distribution type in the calendar or by quarter. So in this case, this pays it out every quarter or every 3 months, 52 cents, 65, 47.50. So this is not too bad, but we want to find a better ETF for the bang of our buck. So scroll back on the top and then click in the search bar and type in SPYI. And then click enter. So in this case, this is a low expense, or should I say low price ETF. And then if we go under distributions and expenses, you can now scroll down to see how much this dividend pays. And wow, we have almost 50 cents, $1.40, $1.40, $1.46, 48. Okay, this is not too bad for the most part. And as you can see, this is literally 4 times cheaper than the last one that we just saw. And it even pays out 2 to 3 times more. That's crazy. Go back to the search bar and type in YBTC and click enter. Okay, wow, this is another ETF that is literally almost the same price as the last one that we just saw. And under distributions and expenses, we can see that it paid $7.27 for owning one single share of this, which is a Bitcoin covered ETF, and it paid $3.90. And this is fairly new, because we don't see much information to the left. Okay, and if you want to buy or sell this ETF, you can scroll up and you can see there's a buy or there's a sell icon. So now this window will appear. Basically, it will show you what you're trading, which is a stock or an ETF. You have a list of accounts. In this case, only have one link. You have the ticker or the symbol. You have the price, and then you can have however share amounts. So let's say we want to buy 10. We input 10, and then there's a market order, which will purchase this at the current price, or there's a limit order where you can type in the price you would like to purchase this at. Last but not least, we can click preview order. It will ask you to review, or a window will pop up, but in this case, you know how to buy and sell ETFs and invest in the Fidelity financial markets. I'm going to put a list of all of the ETFs you can discover for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Check out the playlist for more finance and education videos like this, and subscribe to the channel if you found value.